Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to buy cake on PancakeSwap using Trust Wallet app. You can easily buy cake on PancakeSwap using Trust Wallet, so here's how you can do it. First of all, open your Trust Wallet application and sign in to your account. Ensure you have some BNB in your Trust Wallet. This is because cake is typically paired with BNB on PancakeSwap. You can buy BNB directly on an exchange like Binance and transfer it to your Trust Wallet or use a third-party service. Once you've added some BNB in your Trust Wallet, go ahead and open up a web browser on your device. In the URL box, type in pancakeswap.finance/swap and search. It'll now take you to this website, from where you will need to click on the Connect button at the top right corner. In the pop-up, select Wallet Connect. Now, select Trust Wallet from the list. Click on Open in the pop-up, and this will open up your Trust Wallet account. Now, follow the prompts and click on the Connect button at the bottom right corner. You will then be able to connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. Now, get back to your web browser and then you will be able to see this kind of an interface. In the PancakeSwap interface, make sure that you're inside the Swap tab at the top left. Now, go to the bottom and tap on the drop-down first and select BNB chain. You can also select BNB by tapping on the drop-down at the top right. Once you select BNB in the first drop-down, go to the next section and make sure that you've selected cake in it on the next. In the cake tab, enter the desired amount of cake you want to buy, and you will see an estimated amount of BNB required for the swap, including transaction fees. If you have sufficient BNB balance, you will then be able to tap on this button at the bottom. Since I don't have enough sufficient BNB balance, it is showing me insufficient BNB balance over here. But if you have followed the instructions well and you have enough BNB, then you will be able to see a swap button at the bottom. Simply tap on swap, and that way you will be able to buy cake on PancakeSwap using Trust Wallet app. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.